Virtualbox is a powerful x86 and AMD 64 Intel 64 virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. Not only is Virtualbox an extremely feature-rich, high-performance product for enterprise customers, it is also the only professional solution that is freely available as open-source software. It have growing list of features, supported guest operating systems and platforms it runs on. Virtualbox is a community effort backed by a dedicated company. Everyone is encouraged to contribute while Oracle ensures the product always meets professional quality criteria. The latest version released is Virtualbox 6.1. Today we are going to install Virtualbox in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS and install Windows operating system. Let's get started. Open your app bar. Click on Search. Type Ubuntu software. Type Virtual. As you can see, Virtualbox. Click on Install. Give a time to prepare and install Virtualbox. After it's installed, you can check Virtualbox in app bar. Click it. Now you need ISO file of Windows 10 to install in Virtualbox. Go to Chrome and type download Windows 10 ISO file. After ISO file is downloaded, go to Virtualbox. Click on New. Name the operating system Windows 10. It automatically select others. Click on Next. You can select memory size by moving the bar. Make sure you are inside the green bar. Hit on Next. Check on Create Virtual Hard Disk now. Hit on Next. Check on Virtualbox disk image. Hit on Next. Check on Dynamically Allocated. Hit on Next. You can leave as it is, or you can change the location where you want to put your file. Click on Save. And you can change size of hard disk and click on Create. Now go to Settings. And you will see a General Settings. Click on Advance. Change both to bidirectional, which will let you to copy your files from host computer to virtual computer and virtual to host. As you can see, you can change other settings also. Now go to Storage. Click on Empty and you can see optical drive. Go to disk icon and click it. Now you have to select ISO file that you have downloaded. Now click on Open. Click on OK. Now you can click on Start button and virtual machine will start. Now you need to select Windows ISO file and click on Start. Select your preferred language and hit on Next. Click on Install now. Click on Checkbox. Click on Next. Select Custom. Next. Your Windows should start installing and wait. After it's installed, it will restart few times. Select your region and click on Yes. It will take some time. If there are some errors, then click on Try again. Type name for your device. Click on Next. If you want password, that you can type, otherwise leave it and hit on Next. Accept. Your Windows should be starting. Your Windows 10 is ready to be used. You can test anything here, it won't affect your host computer. You can install any application. It works same as your Windows 10 operating system. You can save your operating system also. and exit. Start again where you have left. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.